Hey, fellow content creators! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to higher earnings on YouTube? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal the top countries and niches that could seriously boost your CPM. That's cost per thousand impressions in case you're new around here. First off, let's dive into the high CPM countries. Imagine this. Not all audiences are created equal in the eyes of advertisers. Countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom consistently rank at the top. Why? Because advertisers in these regions are willing to pay more to reach their audience, thanks to higher purchasing power and competition among advertisers. Now, if you're creating content that targets viewers from these countries, you're already on a path to potentially higher earnings. But what if I told you that you could optimize even further? That's right, let's talk niches. Certain topics pull in more ad dollars. For instance, niches like technology, personal finance, health, and luxury lifestyles are gold mines. Advertisers in these sectors often have bigger budgets and are ready to spend to attract informed, engaged viewers. If you can create compelling content in these areas, you might see your CPM soar. So, how do you start? First, understand your audience. Use analytics to see where your viewers are coming from. Then, tailor your content not just to their interests, but also to those lucrative niches and regions. Remember, quality content that educates, entertains, and engages will always attract more viewers and consequently more advertisers. All right, creators, that's a wrap for today. Start targeting those high CPM countries and niches and watch your earnings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insider tips on boosting your YouTube revenue. Until next time, keep creating and keep striving.